Welcome to OBDsync. In this episode, we're going through how to program a replacement remote function actuator in a Holden CG Captiva. So first off, click the vehicle button and go to the RFA tile. Once you've done that, it will begin loading in the available options for this module. We'll then head up to the flashing tab and we're going to make sure that we have a battery charger or maintainer fitted. And once we do, we'll click the right button. This will begin downloading the required files to suit this module in this vehicle and then begin the flashing sequence. First off, we'll have a 5-second delay and then we'll actually start flashing to the car. I have fast forwarded this part, but it takes roughly 60 seconds for it to complete. Just be aware, after flashing, you do need to relearn the key fobs. So that's the button part of the key. That is separate to the actual key blade or immobilizer part. The key fobs only to lock and unlock the car. So we'll go ahead, we'll click OK on our pop-up. We'll go to learn functions and then we'll complete the central locking key fob learn. And so do that for all keys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.